Unlock the power of special effects and professional video production right from your Canon EOS 2000d. First, power on your camera and carefully turn the mode dial to the movie icon, which looks like a small video camera. Next, we need to adjust your video settings. Press the menu button, navigate to the recording tab, and select movie recording size. For the best chroma key results, choose a high resolution option like Full HD. Lighting is absolutely crucial. Ensure your blue background is evenly lit, avoiding any shadows or hotspots that could interfere with your chroma key. Position your subject a few feet away from the blue screen. This minimizes blue spill onto the subject and helps shadows fall off the background. Mount your camera on a tripod for stable, shake-free footage. This makes the post-production chroma keying much smoother and more precise. Now, simply hit the record button to begin capturing your video. Remember to maintain consistent lighting and subject positioning throughout your shoot. With these techniques, you're ready to create incredible, professional videos with seamless background replacements, all from your Canon EOS 2000d. Start experimenting with chroma keying today and elevate your video production.